Good morning everyone from Halifax, Nova Scotia, where I'm about to hop on the train to Montreal to begin my grand adventure of circling the Americas. Checked in already, everything is good to go here, so I'm just gonna head inside and wait for the train to depart. We're leaving in about 45 minutes to an hour, so all set to go and really excited to get this trip going. So let's head inside.
Montreal as well?
Yep.
Perfect. Just inside to the right, just watch your step there.
The adventure begins. Good afternoon, everybody. It is now about an hour and a half into our journey to Montreal, which will take approximately 22 hours from start to finish. And as we start our trip across North America, down the Pacific coast into Central and South America as well, this is the second longest train on the initial stage of my journey. I'll also be taking a train from Chicago to Portland in the near future, which runs about 46 hours from place to place. Anyway, so far so good. I've got a coffee, things are nice. After 23 and a half hours, welcome to Montreal finally. Let's go upstairs and get our bags. So I thought I'd give you a quick room tour here. So I'm staying at the Same Sun Hostel in Montreal. I have the private room booked, mostly due to the fact that I just spent, 30 hours traveling and just wanted some downtime to myself and peace and quiet. So I actually changed my booking here from the shared accommodations to the private room. So when you come in the door, you see there's a pretty standard bathroom, shower stall, toilet, all that good stuff. And then in here is the main room. It's got a TV and there's some really good cold air conditioning coming out over that, just below the window over there. A double-sized bed, bedside table. Yeah, nothing fancy, but I'm only here one night, and I just wanted something a little quiet for myself. I'll put the price on the screen here for the rate that I got for this place. I book all of my stuff through booking.com at this point, mostly because the more you book, the better your discounts get. They add in extra things like free breakfast, earlier check-ins, those sorts of things as you accumulate bookings. So it made the most sense to book most things through them. I figured that way I can accumulate points faster and credits for different things. They also give you credits for attractions and things around the cities depending on where you're going, which was kind of cool. I didn't get to use any of them here in Montreal, but I have some for Chicago and Portland that I'm going to look into. Anyway, that's it for now. That's the room tour. Hope you liked it. Good afternoon from Montreal. I have arrived, and yeah, what an amazing day outside. It's like 16 degrees and sunny and just perfect. So I'm all set back there. I thought now maybe I'd head over to Schwartz's Deli to grab a smoked meat sandwich, which is famous in Montreal. So let's head over there first, and then afterwards we can talk about some of the other plans I have coming up. So that was Schwartz's Deli. I didn't get to film much inside. It was just way too chaotic in there. It was lined up outside, as you saw, and shoulder to shoulder inside. But if you're going to go to Schwartz's Deli and you want to get in fast, here's a pro tip. Go by yourself. There was probably 30 people lined up outside waiting to get in. And when they came out, they were asking how many per party. And I said 1. They said straight to the counter. So if you're here by yourself, odds are pretty good that you'll get to the counter seat pretty quick and get ahead of the crowd. Despite all the hype and stuff around Schwartz's that's been there since, 1928 and world famous and very busy, but the sandwiches are totally worth it. Their smoked meat is just perfect. So yeah, it's totally worth the trip. And I just came up on the subway and then the bus from where I'm staying, and it only took like 10 minutes from downtown.
Hello.
How's it going tonight?
How are you?
Good, good.
Yeah. You can take it over there.
Right here. Thank you. Good evening. So we are here in Montreal. I have eaten my way through the city today, and I thought no better way to finish up my 24 hours in Montreal than on the giant Ferris wheel down on the waterfront. I don't know how this compares in size to the Eye in London, but this one is pretty formidable, I would say. I'm just gonna flip this around while I keep talking. Yeah, there's downtown Montreal, right over there, and the waterfront that I walked down through. And yeah, what a spot. I haven't been down here for a long time, maybe ever. I know that I've been to Montreal a few times in the past, but yeah, this is a great view, a great way to end the Montreal experience. I would say we are not even quite at the top yet, and you can see we're pretty high up here, which is pretty cool. Again, it's a great shot if you want to have a look at the whole city. Now, I just picked up a single ticket for myself tonight. Now, if you want to come here and explore more of the city, if you have more time, one of the things you can do is actually pick up a city pass, and it comes with, I think, 3 or 5 attractions is the option. This is one of the ones that's on it. The 3 attractions price is like $50, and then they also have a 5 attractions one, which I believe is $80, and then it comes with a bunch of extra discounts and stuff. And it was, I seriously considered it. The only reason I didn't go with that is because I had a couple things I wanted to possibly do that were closed by the time I was going to get to them. And my time here, unfortunately, in Montreal is pretty limited this trip. But I may have to come back again down the road and check out some more of the city. So tomorrow, I'm actually heading out from Montreal on the train, heading to upstate New York first. It's about 6 or 7 hours, and then I transfer to my second train, and that will take me all the way to Chicago, where I will be for the next 3 nights after tonight. Really looking forward to visiting Chicago. I've never been there before, but there's lots of things there that are of particular interest to me that I'd like to see. So yeah, I thought I'd extend that one a little bit. The second reason to extend it, of course, is also that the following train ride from Chicago to Portland is about 46 hours, assuming it's on time. Other than that, that's really it. Montreal was short but sweet. I had some great food today. I'm all checked in at my place, as you saw earlier. And yeah, off we go again tomorrow. So that's it from Montreal. I hope you enjoyed this quick shot of Montreal and some of the things it has. Again, you could spend weeks here and not see everything, so plan accordingly, I guess is the best way to put it. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks so much for checking out my videos. Just a reminder to please like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos that I'm providing. And there's also a link down below in the description to my Patreon if you'd like to continue to support me going forward. I'm currently not making any money off of YouTube or Facebook or anywhere. So yeah, if you like what I'm doing, that's how you can support the work that I'm doing. And remember, life is short. Wander. I'll see you next time.